Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, let's get started to trading. Today we are gonna open 500 position on a 1 minute time frame. As usual guys, all the currency pairs with the highest payout rate have been picked. And basically we are gonna use the following indicators. The first one is Stochastic. And next one is the Keltner channel. They work perfectly as combination guys. I know many people who use this strategy and generally it brings them a good profit. The main signals for position entry are gonna be crossing of the overbought or oversold zones. Let's set the overbought zone to 70 and the oversold one to 30, and basically our goal is to make a good profit today, so let's get started and find the better currency pair. Well, and let's watch guys, we are interested in the highest payout rate. We will play out the Keltner channel and let's open a long position here without thinking twice. This is a good position entry. We observe the uptrend on the chart. We see that the stochastic is currently at the bottom in the oversold zone, and in theory we are gonna see it reversal and further moment to the upside. Also there is the uptrend here. We see this teeny correction. There was a good correction in the zone. The touch of the middle line of the channel, and it indicates that the correction seems to be over and the price will go upwards. That's why we open the long guys. The crossing did happen and I'm expecting to see a good breakout by the end of our position, and it's gonna be closed in profit. I am okay with the price movement so far. And there we go guys, the first position has been closed in profit guys. Like I said, we've seen a nice breakout at the end, exactly as I predicted guys. So guys, let's find the next currency pair and let's carry on the trading session. Look, the price started going down here. Well, let's check out the other position. I don't see a good trade entry so far. Here we better open a short. I will select the workspace and take a look at the stochastic guys. This is the first movement, the second one and the third. This is the peaks according to the stochastic, and in theory we are gonna see the reversal and it will go into correction after this pullback. While having the downward dynamics, it looks very probable. There was updating of the local highs and the price should go downwards. So there was a good pullback and the crossing of the overbought zone on the stochastic, and there were literally 15 seconds left before the closing, and I am fine with the price movement. We see that the low volatility is not too high guys. By the way, we have a perfect position entry level and there are 5 seconds left before the closing, and we got the second position in profit guys. So there are no stopping here, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's have a look at here guys. Well, we observe the downward dynamics. Let's check out the support zone. Here is the low and basically we can conclude the price should go lower. That's why we open the short session, guys. You know, guys, let's open 2 more short position here. I think this is a rational move because first of all, guys, we see the peak on the stochastic, so the price should go lower because the trend is downward. There was a small pullback from this level, but the price hasn't entered the channel. At first we open a short at this level, but this is not safe, to be honest. That's why we opened 2 extra short positions in order to reduce the risk to go into the negative. And basically there are around 5 seconds before the closing of the first position. And let's watch price movement. By the way, guys, even the first position ends up in profits. That's awesome. And the same goes for the other 2 positions in profit, guys. And there are almost $14,000 on the balance, quite good outcome. And let's not drag this out and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing and find the next currency pair. Well, here the price has more upward dynamics and the direction should change. The price is gonna go upwards. So I think we should open a long here. I will point out the workspace. Basically we opened ahead of the market. If you look at the price dynamics, the breakdown of the support level did happen, and we already saw a massive correction here. And basically if we consider this area, then there's a perfect correction, so we play ahead of the market and we release that the price has to bounce off and start going up. That's why we open a long position, considering that we won on a 1 minute time frame, guys, because the price can go lower in the short term down to its support zone. That's why it's more promising to open on a 1 minute time frame, guys. That's why our position is in a profit again, guys. Have a look, guys, there is high volatility. That's why on a 1 minute time frame is better here. And there is the inception of the red candle, which isn't a bullish signal. That's why we open 1 minute position when using this strategy. And basically let's change the currency pair, guys. Continue analyzing, and we are gonna find the better trade entry. Let's look for it here. There are no crossing so far, so is it worth playing ahead of the market? Well, let's figure it out, guys. I think it's gonna be a good trade entry. Actually, we'd better open a few more long positions in case the first one ends up with loss. Basically, guys, we release that the stochastic is stuck in the horizontal zone and it's high time to break out. By the way, there was a nice correction here. In addition, we can point out the support zone. The price was rejected from it and the small accumulation zone has been formed. And basically after this huge correction, by the way, guys, there was the upward dynamics, the uptrend, and now the price should continue moving upwards. That's why we open our long position. By the way, look at this massive pump, guys. The stochastic almost reached the overbought zone, so the position entry was calculated perfectly. And all the positions have been closed in profit, guys. Good job. I draw these movements and we got really good profit on the balance. And let's open a few more positions and find the next currency pair. We are looking for the most profitable payout rate. By the way, we can observe a nice touch of the support zone here. Let's open a long, guys. But if the price goes lower, we will open 2 more. Let's open 2 more long position here. And let's point out the workspace. Very promising position entry, guys. There is a touch of the support zone. I'm expecting to see the rebound as it happened here. Also there was a nice correction here. We see the downtrend on the chart, and we are gonna play out the pullback, but still the price is gonna hold at this level for a while, because the stochastic is at the bottom, the moving average at level 10. In theory, a little rebound is imminent here. That's why we open our long position, guys. The first one ends up at loss. Unfortunately, we were a little late, but the breakout has already happened. The support zone played out perfectly, but the other 2 positions have been closed in profit, and there was 16 on the balance, and I guess we opened 2 more positions and then we fix the profit. So let's find another currency pair. Let's continue analyzing, guys. We see the touch of the support zone, the price kind of going sideways. I think we should slow down here. By the way, the payout rate is not good. What do you got here? However, guys, let's open a long position here, and we will open a few additional positions if we consider is necessary. And let's do this, guys. Not the best level, so the price is going lower. And let's open 2 more positions here, and let's have a look, guys. I will point out the workspace. The upward dynamics prevails here. The stochastic is not in the overbought zone yet. So in theory, while having the upward dynamics, the price is gonna go upwards. And we observe this great correction in this area. Then there was the upward dynamics, the updating of the local high did happen, and then there was another correction, after which I'm expecting to see the price going upwards. And if we look at the stochastic, it's too early for the reversal, so we have the space for growth. So I think the position was open correctly, and let's see, guys. The first position it's up at loose, which was expected. The next ones have been closed in profit, and there are 2 final positions. And let's wait for the outcome. There we go, guys. Final position are in profits. We got $17,000 on the balance. So, guys, I'm happy with this trading session. This is as far as it goes. Don't be afraid of using the principle of martingale, guys. So open extra position if you missed the desired level of position entry, and try to find the currency pair that got a medium volatility if you don't want to end up in loss. And let's move on to withdrawal, guys. Let's withdraw, I guess, 7,000, 4,000, and press the continue button. Well, our transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen where it's done, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.